Welcome. This is week 39, day number 2. And today we will keep talking about how to grow your nest egg and how I have done it. That's pretty much, I'm showing you what I've done. Hopefully it will show you some tips and tricks that I've discovered so you can also build your nest egg faster than ever before, because I think that going 20 years plus at a job, you start in your 20s and then you don't retire until you're in your 50s, 60s, 70s sometimes, and then you're just with this employer. I never thought that was something that appealed to me, but I have seen a lot of people who are happy having a job. So I can't just completely discount that. But we're going to do this live training today to kind of show you what I do. And that's pretty much the strategy here in this YouTube channel, where I show you the things I do day to day. That's why we do this daily. And then you can kind of have two options. One is you can go ahead and do it on your own. Just kind of mimic what I'm doing to grow your nest egg. Or number two, you can do it with me. So that's what we're going to do here today. Most of the time, you look at my other videos, we're talking about and we're teaching a lot of things that I'm doing. So just kind of putting it out there, documenting it, etc. But from this point forward, I'm forced to keep these videos shorter because I just have so many things to do, and I'm like constantly, driving to see properties and setting up whatever needs to be done with the properties. A lot of the stuff is mundane repairs and kind of stuff, which I guess we can incorporate later, but it just will take a lot of editing to do that. But we will continue to make these calls, these videos, so that you can kind of see how we're talking to sellers and finding the three most important things that I kind of focus on, and that is building our retirement income, growing our nest egg, and building cash flow. So that's what this channel is all about. So we want passive income, we want rental income, we want cash flow, we want real estate income, we want all these different types of income that allow us to grow our nest egg. So here's the biggest secret, the biggest thing that will change everything as far as growing your retirement income, and kind of just automate that. So you don't have to do real estate. You don't have to spend a lot of time with real estate. Leave that to a company like ours, and you just participate in the deals. So that's exactly what it is making money, growing your nest egg with other people's real estate transactions, other people's deals. So you might have heard of OPM, other people's money, but the flip side of that is other people's deals. And you don't have to have a lot of money. A lot of people think that you have to accumulate vast amounts of money to make money with other people's deals. You don't. You can start with as low as $100, $50. Because your partner can be the county. You can go and buy a tax lien secured by real estate, and then the county, your local county, will give you a return on that money. So you're making money on other people's deals. In this case, the deal is that the local county charges people property taxes, and when they don't pay, they initiate certain ways to get people to pay, and that creates a deal for you. So it's the county's deal, and you can make money with the county's deal, which is the best deal of all because it's the most secure. So if you want the most secure deal, you go to the county. No risk, almost no risk if you know what you're doing. If you buy something that is improved real estate, right? So that's almost no risk at all. That's the lowest risk you can have, okay, if you do that. But then, the return is not as big because you might get maybe 10% per year, and it's you know, if somebody redeems it the first month, let's say you get 12% per year, then the first month, if somebody redeems it, you're going to get only 1%. But it's the most secure way to do it. Now, if you know, the higher the risk, the higher the return. The lower the risk, the lower the return. So that's, you're just trading, you know, security for, you know, peace of mind. So if you go and you take a little bit more risk, once you start learning, then you can go and now, instead of partnering with the county, you can go and partner with, you know, people in your backyard who are doing real estate transactions, and they need you. So they might need $1,000, $2,000 just to do earnest money deposit, or to pay an attorney so that a deal can work out. You know, they have a lot of expenses like we do. We have a couple of deals that it's like, you know what, I don't want to keep taking from our reserves. So let's tap into other people's money, right? And so that's the yin and yang. You do, people put their money to work, and then people need money to put to work. So that's pretty much how it is in real estate. So if you just understand that concept, that there's always somebody looking for money, and it doesn't have to be a lot of money to get a transaction done, and it's secured by real estate, then you're good. So that is the biggest thing, that when I discovered that, I was like blown away that I could make money like that. I didn't have to work. I didn't have to invest in the stock market. I didn't have to invest in all these, you know, annuities and whatnot, you know. So, and you can do all of this from your 401k. So if you have a job and you've been building your retirement account, you can do it right from your retirement account. Okay. So you never have to take out of your savings or your immediate checking account. You can do it from your 401k, and it grows a lot faster than you would by investing it in the stock market, as most people do. So invest it on other people's deals, not real estate, because you'll start Googling, oh, investing in real estate from my 401k. You call your broker, and they'll be like, oh yeah, you can put it into REITs, which is stocks. Stay away from stocks if you want to grow your nest egg fast. Okay. So now, with that being said, let's go find some opportunities so that you can see how you can make money with other people's deals. We will go fish out some opportunities. You can kind of get an idea how it'll work. And after each call, if we do find a deal today, then I will tell you this is a good opportunity, a good example opportunity, so that you can go and find your own opportunity. But if you're more than welcome to give me a call, contact me below to invest in the opportunities you see here, and to grow your nest egg. More than happy to do that. We have to build a relationship first. You get to know me, that kind of thing. Yeah, you're more than welcome to contact us for these opportunities. So don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and comment below. Contact me below. Let's talk and see what happens. So we're going to go now into the second portion of the video, as we always do, and make some phone calls, get some people on the phone, and find some opportunities. So I use a CRM system, that's customer relationship management. And from there, I keep everything organized. Everything is organized in one system, so I don't get confused, and I don't have to update deal by deal the rest of our team. Everybody can log onto a lead and see what is happening, what's going on, be up to date. So this minimizes the friction of having to jump on a bunch of phone calls or texting people about something. They can all see it from here. So this particular property has a tenant. It's on a month-to-month basis. He's interested in selling. He said he wants to move on, wants to know what we can offer him in cash. So let's see here. This is, so I'm looking at Zillow right now. Sorry, I'm looking at realtor.com, but I want to get Zillow as well. Maybe it's not on Zillow. Let's see. Yeah, I can't. That's why my assistant didn't put it on Zillow. So let's see what realtor.com says. Okay, so it says 182,000. Let's see here. Gonna Google it. This is no, that's not the same. Okay, so I'm gonna give him a call. So I do a little bit of due diligence, very little before I call, just to make sure the property hasn't sold and we still have a potential deal, and get a little background on it.
Hello.
Hey, good morning, Nick. How are you? This is Ben.
I'm good. What's up?
Yeah, so I was calling you back about this property. You had spoken to my associate Gil, Riverview Avenue. You mentioned that you might be interested in selling it. You got a tenant on it, so I wanted to see if we could talk about it.
I'm in the middle of doing some plumbing right now. Can I call you back?
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Whenever you have time, no problem.
Call me in an hour. If that's okay.
In an hour? You got it.
Yeah,
I will.
Thanks.
Thank you, Nick. Bye-bye. So he is interested. He said, okay. So he said he was doing some plumbing and to call him back in 1 hour. Making notes here so everybody's on the same page. Call him back in an hour. Sounds interested in selling. Okay. So I'm going to make myself an appointment here to call him back in an hour. Was doing plumbing. So this is the title, just so I remember. Today, let's call him back at about 10:30-ish or so. Okay. Okay. So I will move him. So now in the process from stranger to client, in this case, it'd be an actual sale. We call that a funnel. And in that process, I move people from the beginning of the funnel all the way down. So like a funnel like this, right? So from the top of the funnel to the bottom of the funnel is when you make a transaction. So he is going to go very close, deep into the funnel, right? And okay. So I moved him to the appropriate area in the funnel. So that's going to be good. All right, so we're going to go into the next lead. So now we have a potential sale here. We'll see. He said he's still interested in selling. So hopefully it turns into something good. The thing that gives me a little bit of a pause is he sounds like he's an investor. So we will see. As a matter of fact, let me notate the account because I'm thinking about it. And the more I think about it, I need to tell myself that he's an investor when I call him back, or he sounds like one. Okie doke. Okay. All right. Okay. So moving forward with the next call, as I said, you guys, this is a live training. I'm talking about the deals. You get to see the deals. You know, if you want to participate, let me know. Okay, so spoke with Betty. She sold the house in McClever. But in between, the house is a vacant lot she owns and wants to get rid of it. Looking forward to hearing from us. Okay, so she sold those houses, okay. All right, so let's see. And if she sold those houses, she may want to put her money to work. So that's one of the things that I do. I talk to people, and if they want to participate in our deals, always looking for deals or dollars. Always. Okay. Yeah, sold it 2/21/23. Okay. So let me go on Zillow here and just kind of see. She said in between the houses. Oh, I think I see the lot. Okay, so this is Sanford. Let's see here. Okay. This one here is in North Carolina. So I'm going to assign it back to our team member that handles North Carolina right now. I just hired, that's another thing, is we just hired a bunch of people. Not a bunch of people, but a couple people to help us with the workload, because let me tell you what, these videos that I make seem very, very simple, right? Very simple, like there's nothing to them, but I tell you what, they absolutely work. These calls I make, so effective. You get deals all the time. The way we talk to people, you see it here. They work very nicely. So, you know, I can't say enough how satisfied we are with the deals that we get. And as a matter of fact, we cannot keep up. So if you're looking for a job, and if you want to get in real estate, and if you're committed, and if you can do what you see me doing in these videos, let me know. Because we are always looking for people, talent, who are loyal. Loyalty is everything to us. So we'll be loyal to you. Let's be loyal to one another. Okay, next. Okay, so spoke to Edwin, interested in selling 2 vacant houses, same area. They're vacant, that's good. Okay. I'm just looking at Zillow now. Okay, these were 2 vacant houses. Riverview, Florida. So where is Riverview? Yeah, they look beat up, that's for sure. Great potential, man. This thing looks like it's needs a major rehab. Okay, so I'm looking at the area real quick. Okay, so this is like Tampa area. It's a little bit far for us, but if you're in Tampa, let me know. You can get these deals depending on what he says. Okay, Edwin. Probably not available.
Mr. Call, please leave your name.
Okay, it looks good. No answer, will try later. So that way everybody sees that I called. I am going to put him in an area where, in the funnel, where we are persistent. So there we go. Okay, I'm gonna call somebody real quick that came in, but I think he got confused or something from our Facebook posting and stuff. So let's see here. Okay. Okay, so we have a seller texting us. They are expecting to come back anytime now. As soon as it does. Okay. She's asking about the title. So I just told her. Okay, so is Randy, there he is. And with him, I have to call him from my cell because he won't answer these calls here because I think he got confused or something. 8898.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 866-882-8895 is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey, Randy, this is Ben. I was just calling you back. Let me know when you have a chance to talk. Phone number to call me back. I'll text you from this number so you can have it, but give me a ring whenever you get this this message. Talk to you later. Bye-bye now. So let me text him now. Okay, so let's see. Okay. He texted me back. Oh, yeah. Let's see. I think I made a mistake here. Okay, let me. Double check this again. 882-98. Okay, yeah, I did. I'm not editing my videos, but it's a dumb mistake.
Please leave your message for 386-882.
Hey, Randy, it's Ben. Just returning your phone call. Whenever you get this, give me a call. I'll send you a text now. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. see. So I'm texting him. Okay. All right. Hopefully we hear back from him. Called and texted from my personal number. We will be persistent. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna move him in the funnel here. Appointment set. Perseverance here. Okay, we'll keep him on where he is actually. Okay, so next lead. Okay, this should be, let's see, it's our associate ISA was calling on the property. He's not selling it. Instead, he offered up a vacant house, beautiful area, he said. Okay, so let's see. Now it looks vacant. Brandon. Okay. So where is this? Near Tampa. Okay, so let's call him and see. Clay. His name is Clay.
What?
Hey, good morning, Clay. How are you? This is Ben.
What?
Yeah, I was just calling you back. You had mentioned to my associate Gil that you might be interested in selling your property. I'm not sure which one it was. I think one of them is vacant. Was that the one in Brandon, Lafayette Boulevard?
Yeah, but I'm probably gonna be closing on that house this week.
Oh, you will be. So you're almost selling it. Okay. Okay, you almost got it sold. I'm curious, what are you selling it for? How much did you get?
We still negotiating that, but I'm looking to get about 310 out of it because I've got some damage to my back seawall, so that's kind of not going to make me get retail value, obviously. So,
Yeah, 310. Does it need repairs?
yeah, the back seawall does.
Oh, back seawall. Did it get flooded?
I had a tree go down and kind of take part of the seawall with it.
Okay, so 310. Okay, if that falls through, I'll be willing to give you more than 310 if you're interested.
Sure, if it falls through.
Yeah, it falls through. Okay, you let.
We're hopefully going to close this week, so if it doesn't, you can give me a call back on like Monday if you want.
Okay, call you back on Monday. That's for sure.
Okay.
All right, Clay. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Okay.
Thanks, man.
All right. Thanks. Bye-bye. Okay, so he said he's closing on it this week. Let's see. Notes, he said he was closing on it this week. for 310. Backseat wall is damaged. Said a tree fell on it. I said if it falls through, let me know. Be willing to give you more than 310. We'll call him on Monday. Okay. All right. So like I said, we moved through these calls pretty fast. You know, when I was starting a long time ago, I would hang on to every seller. Like I didn't want to lose anyone. And I still sort of do that, but I can move through these a lot faster because we have so many leads that it doesn't hurt me if I lose somebody. Right, so, okay. So I'm gonna move on appointment set here. All right, so all right, and then I'll go to an appointment here and I'll make the appointment. Okay, come on, puppy. Let's go. So we're gonna end this video here with this call. You can kind of see that this really, I have 550 something leads in my system. And it's really hard. I gotta go and like get one of the guys that we hired, get him going to help me with these calls. So some of the calls that you'll hear coming up are not going to be, they're going to be mixed with a lot of other things. So I'm thinking about like different content already for this. If it falls through, because it's really hard for me to keep making these calls because I have to also structure the deals. So that's been a little bit challenging. So we've gotten so far in this journey. It's amazing. I hope you've been keeping track. Go back to my earlier videos and you will see that we started pretty much with nothing. It's not that I had not done real estate before or I didn't have real estate going on. It's just that I wanted to document how to go from like zero, from absolutely nothing to actually get deals, right? And that's what we've done and we've achieved. I do understand that I have an advantage because I've done it, you know, and I have had properties for years. And so that does give me an advantage, but the principles are the same. And watching these sort of videos will make you better. So just keep doing it. But like I said, contact me. The information is below. Let's do business together. Why not? Right? So thank you for being here. See you in the next video. Thanks.